Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into some everyday conversations, break down the questions and answers, and decode some of those tricky words or slang you might hear. Whether you're trying to improve your English skills or just want to be more confident in social settings, this video is for you. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hey Alex, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do?
All right, let's break this down. What do you do? Is a super common question when meeting someone new. It's basically asking about your job or what you spend most of your time doing. Now, let's look at how you could respond. I'm a software engineer. I work on developing apps for a tech company. Here, Alex is simply stating their job and giving a bit more detail about what it involves. I'm currently studying biology at university. If you're a student, you can mention what you're studying instead of a job. I do a bit of everything. I'm a freelance graphic designer and also run a small online store. This is a good response if you have multiple roles or jobs. See, this question is just a way to get to know someone better and is a great opportunity for you to share a bit about yourself.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not much. Just going to relax. How about you?
Now, this is another classic small talk question. Do you have any plans for the weekend? It's a way to casually see what someone is up to and notice the response. How about you? This is where you toss the ball back in the conversation. I'm going hiking with some friends on Saturday. Should be fun. This is a direct answer with a little extra detail to keep the conversation going. I might check out that new movie that just came out. Have you seen it? Here, the person adds a follow-up question to keep the conversation alive. I'm not sure yet. Maybe just take it easy. How about you? If you don't have solid plans, it's fine to keep it casual and then ask the other person about their plans. As you can see, this question is super flexible. You can share as much or as little detail as you want, and then pass the conversation back to them.
Did you catch the game last night?
Yeah, it was intense. I couldn't believe that final play. What about you?
Here we have some casual chat about a shared interest in this case, a sports game. The question, "Did you catch the game last night?" is asking if the other person watched it. Notice the use of the word catch here. It's slang for watch or see. Yeah, I did. That last quarter was crazy. I thought they were going to lose for sure. This response shares excitement and adds to the conversation by giving an opinion. I missed it, but I heard it was a good game. What happened? Even if you didn't watch, you can still keep the conversation going by asking about it. No, I'm not really into football. What about you? Do you watch often? Perfectly okay to admit if you didn't watch or aren't interested. You can pivot the conversation by asking about their interest. So, this is a great example of how you can bond over a shared interest or even learn something new about the other person's hobbies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I'm really into photography. I love capturing nature shots. How about you?
Do you have any hobbies? Is a super open-ended question, making it easy to share something personal about yourself. And notice again the use of how about you? It's such a handy phrase to keep in your back pocket for conversations. I love reading. I just finished a great mystery novel. Have you read anything good lately? Sharing your hobby and adding a follow-up question keeps the dialogue moving. I'm into cooking, especially trying out new recipes. I just made homemade pasta for the first time. Talking about hobbies like cooking can easily lead to more detailed conversations. I'm really into gaming. I just started playing a new game that's pretty addictive. This answer could open up a conversation about games, technology, or other related topics. Hobbies are a great topic because they reveal a lot about what you enjoy and can lead to deeper conversations. Plus, if you both share a hobby, it's an instant connection.
Hey, are we still on for tonight?
For sure, I'm down. Let's meet up at 8.
Here's a quick example of how slang and phrasal verbs pop up in casual conversations, especially in texting. Are we still on for tonight? Is asking if the plans are still happening. The response, I'm down, means I agree or I'm in, and meet up is a common phrasal verb that just means to meet someone. On for tonight, meaning, are the plans still happening? I'm down, meaning, I agree, I'm up for it, or I'm interested. Meet up, meaning, to meet someone, usually casually or informally. Understanding slang and phrasal verbs can really help you sound more natural and fit into casual conversations. The more you hear them, the easier they become to use. That's it for today's video. I hope this breakdown helps you feel more confident in your everyday conversations. Remember, the key is to keep practicing, listen carefully, and don't be afraid to toss the ball back with a simple, "How about you?" If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And hey, drop a comment below with any questions you have or share your favorite conversation starter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep the conversation going.